In this episode of wrenching, we'll focus us on the left side panel and also the remaining floor of the BJ. The first thing we will do in this episode, we will sandpaper the remaining yellow paint with a 180 grit paper. Why we do this? I want to give the anti-rust primer the liability to hold on the old yellow paint. So let's start. We have finished to sandpaper the remaining yellow paint. Our next step will be to clean the area that we want to paint with anti-rust primer with some anti-silicone cleaner, and then we will do seal all we have welded.
City of the sun, you could have stayed. It's only over when the day is done.
I have cleaned the inside of the car with some anti-silicone, and the next thing is to cover the car up, to cover all parts of the car up. We don't want to paint. I have covered the areas up that I don't want to paint, and our next step is to paint the inside with some anti-rust paint. Let's go! You see, yesterday I have finished the painting and also sealed the body with some Terrazone. On German it's Kraftkleber, it's like a power glue seal, and it's very durable. Our next step will be the left side panel. What we will do, we will sandblast this spot and also this here and the wheel arches, and then we will sandpaper the yellow paint, and then comes some Bondo. Yeah, and then we will do the right side. So most of the car I have covered up, and yet we'll start sandblasting. So you see, the most rust is gone. That's the reason why I sandblast such spots and don't grind it, because when you only grind this spot, the rust will come back in 1 year or something, very fast. I have finished sandblasting the car. You see, the car is full of sand. So I have sandblasted the bigger rust spots, and the small rust spots are wire brushed. So my job yet is to clean out all the sand and then paint some anti-rust primer over the sandblasted and wire brushed areas. And this will be the end of this episode. You will see the next episode a lot of bonder work. And please like the episode and subscribe. And we see us the next time. Bye.